Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I do have like a nice base done. I am testing out a foundation, so if you want to see what foundation I'm testing out and my conclusion on all of that, I'll leave a link to it up here. Go check that out. But for this video, I feel like, hey, let's do a nice subtle but not so subtle summer look. What I mean by that is I think I want to do like a bold lip, but I think I want to keep my lid pretty simple and pretty neutral, and I feel like the best way to do that is to incorporate brown. Also, you know, I already have a popping t-shirt, so I don't want to pop out too much except for my lips. I really want to do a pop of lip color that's like bam in your face. So let's start off with the eyes. I'm going to start off with a base with my Ciate London palette for my eyes, and I like this palette because it has all these beautiful colors, but a lot of colors that I could use for my base, like this brown, that brown, some of the beiges and stuff like that, and a little bit of shimmer. So I feel like I could just use that and that'll give me exactly what I want, and this is pretty pigmented, so I do like this palette. Now before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, why not? Please subscribe. I do a lot of makeup tutorials and testing out products, and it's just like something I really love, so hopefully you guys can join my family and enjoy my videos together. So I'm gonna go ahead and give a nice conceal with my Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer in Granola. And now I'm just going to set it with this color right here. Alright, so I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go ahead and do a transition with this color right here. This like lighter brown. So I'm really liking this coppery color right here, so I'm going to do that for my inner corners to like midway. Or actually just right on my lid, because then I'm going to cover that up a little bit. That looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go back into that other brush that I was using and just clean that up. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the deepest brown right here and put that onto my outer corner. If you're using this palette, it is very pigmented, so just use a light hand. Bring that up just a little bit, like I let it cup it just a little bit. Again, I just take that other brush that I was using for the transition and just go ahead and just clean that up. So doing that kind of helps everything to kind of blend in more seamlessly, and then also bringing it in just a little bit keeps it like faded in a really nice way. And that's it. Now the only thing left is to put some eyeshadow on the bottom lid, which I'm going to use that brown again and go into my bottom lid with that. And I've actually been doing that quite a bit. I feel like this one gives me like a really nice color on my bottom lid. Alright, so for my eyeliner, I'm trying to decide if I want to do like a wing liner or just go straight into a lash. Maybe I'll do a lash. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll mimic a wing if I really want to. Alright, so for my lashes, I'm going to go into the VLuxe by INV, and it is their True Fit in Luxe Fit, and I'm going to put this on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm pretty much done with my eyes, but I did also do my brows and just add a little bit of highlighter. So for the rest of my eyes, I'm actually going to go into the NYX Wonder Pencil and line my eyes to open up my eyes a little bit more. So that definitely opened up my eyes a little bit more, and as far as the top, I don't think I need any liner because look at these lashes, they are just pretty much taking over, which looks so pretty. So they were actually sent to me by WeSentials by Ruby Kisses, and I did do a video on that, and you can go check it out over here. They sent me a bunch of products that I was able to test out for you guys, and there were some really amazing products, so definitely go check out that video. And also for my bottom lashes, I did use the Tarte Maneater, and I didn't put any mascara on top. I don't think I really need it. Like, look how pretty these are. But honestly, what a quick look, right? Like, it's just such a simple look. I think I used like three, actually kind of four, but one was a setting, so that doesn't count. You could use a setting powder, but basically 3 eyeshadows to do the eyes, and you just get this really beautiful look that I think is very classy also. Like if you want to wear it out to, like, you know, events, this is a nice look to do. So now let's add a little boldness to this look, because that is exactly what it's missing. And I was thinking of either doing this color or this color. These are both from Colourpop, and they are their Lippie pencil, and I did do a full video on the swatches. They come in a beautiful cup like this, and so definitely check that out. I'll leave a link to that also up here. Yeah, they have some really, really pretty colors. So I saw these two colors and I was like, ooh, I need to do a look. So yeah, I really, really need to do it. So I don't know which one to do. My lips are pretty dry. I don't have anything on them, and I feel like that's the best way to add some lip liner. Otherwise, I feel like it's not going to go on right. So this one is called Absolute Zero, and this is called Chi. So I'm gonna do the Absolute Zero on the bottom. Just to, ooh, I like. And this one on top. I don't know, they pretty much kind of look similar, but I think I'm gonna go with the bottom one. All right, so the winner is Absolute Zero, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this look. Alright, so my lips are super dry. Ooh, I love this color. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little gloss to it just to give it a little give, I guess. So I'm going to use the Cab lip oil that I got in my March BoxyCharm. Again, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it up here. Go check it out, guys. I have so many videos. Definitely check it out. This was a good one. So I'm going to put that on top and gloss it up a little bit, even though I do like it matte. So I'm just going to add a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a wow. Oh, that looks so pretty. I just love this lip. Honestly, this whole look was for this lip. And let me know in the comments if you think I can pull this off, because I really, really like it. It's such a pretty, pretty look. All right, so that's that. Alright, so I don't think there's anything else I need to do. This look is so pretty. So yeah, this is like a nice little pop of color. I guess it's a spring-ish kind of a look because of the lips, you know. I feel like I needed to do a more simple eye just so that the lips can pop a little bit more, but you can definitely add some color to the lid and it'll still look amazing and definitely spring. This is a nice look for like a nice event with a beautiful dress. My goodness, it's gonna look so pretty. But yeah, imagine like a gold dress, like basically like that color gold dress with this look. Ooh, I really, really like that. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you like this look, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh, my hair is acting up.